Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max and I'll show you how to edit a control center on this device. So if you want to add some options to your control panel or just to remove some of them or just to change the positions of the icons here, you should open first the settings app and then tap to control center. Here you'll see show home control section and the access with an app switcher, so we could turn them on or turn them off. Here we got the included controls, so we could find all of these controls here. If you wanna remove them from here, you should just click to this minus icon and tap to remove. Just to add more controls to your panel, you should just click on each of these pluses near these options. And just to change the positions of these icons here on the panel, you should just on the right side of the section, just hold and slide this option to the up or to the down by this way. So as you can see, that's so simple. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.